Hello, Casper from Toddle here. Today I want to show you a couple of neat shortcuts and a couple of neat tricks inside Toddle. Let's get to it. So yeah, the first shortcut you need to learn in Toddle, or that would improve your overall sort of work in Toddle, is this one. It's Command K or Control K on Windows laptops. Command K will take me to the project sidebar where I can browse my components, I can browse my pages and so on, and I can search for a particular page or component. I can search for Casper component, Casper test in this case, and I can open that and so on. The second one is regarding the canvas. You can of course drag these handles, so you can resize your canvas and so on. You can do it down below and so on. A nice trick is to double click this bar here below and your page sort of expands to its entire height. Pretty cool. And then there is a neat trick when you are working with your element panel over here. You can right click any given element, any given component, and you'll get a couple of options. Add element, wrap in element is pretty cool, show height feature and repeat feature, or you can even delete the element. This one, wrap in element, is quite nice. You can pick your element or your component, wrap an element, and you can, for instance, search for a div container, and now your component or page is wrapped inside a div container. Pretty neat. And then I have a couple of more tricks regarding the canvas. If you press down the number 1 key on your keyboard, in this case, I will trigger or toggle the mobile view. Pressing 2 will toggle the tablet view, and pressing 3 again will toggle the laptop or desktop view. And if you didn't know already, I can zoom inside Toddle. I can pinch to zoom, and I can zoom using my mouse, like doing so. Zoom in, zoom out, again and again. And if I'm stuck in some sort of odd sort of zoom level, I can go down here and press this reset zoom button. There we go, and I'm back to my 100% zoom level. Yeah, and this next trick is within the formula editor. So once you have triggered a formula, you can again zoom in and out in the canvas, and you can drag around, pan and so on. And when you are working with the separate formulas, you can click the individual formulas like this, and you can copy it just by pressing down the Command C and pasting it to Command V. I will copy this one. It's an attribute called name. I will copy it, and I will add a new row in my concatenate formula, and I can just delete it again. I can add a new entry in this one, and I can press Command V inside this new window that pops up, and I get the very same attribute inserted as I copied up here. Pretty neat. When I copy the rightmost formula, I get everything that's shown left of that particular formula. So if I choose to copy this concatenate formula, I will get the concatenate formula and all of the sort of underlying children of this selected feature. If I copy this one, the ID over here, I will get the ID, and I will get the other formulas over here. ID doesn't really make sense in this case, by the way, but you get the point. Pretty cool. And now for the very last trick in this video, you can trigger the test mode by clicking the test button down here. It's the play icon, by the way, and you will test your particular page or a particular component, like so. But if you don't feel like going all the way down here, you can always press T to trigger the test mode and T to leave the test mode again. I'll press T to test, and I can scroll in my canvas here, and I can press T again, and I'm back to editing my component on my page. So yeah, that was a couple of neat tricks inside Toddle. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.